In today's video, you'll learn more about improving relationships with an autistic learner or loved one in your life. Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy. I'm Dr. Luann Sailors, the founder and instructor for Sign Tribe. We offer a comprehensive American Sign Language curriculum that covers various aspects of ASL, including vocabulary, conversational signing, sentence structure, and deaf culture. In this video, I'll be discussing how you can experience improved relationships with an autistic learner or loved one in your life simply by using sign language. For parents, caregivers, or educators of an autistic learner, building a strong relationship can be a challenge. Autistic learners may struggle with social communication, making it difficult for them to express themselves and connect with others. However, one effective way that you can improve your relationship with an autistic learner is the use of sign language. Here are some ways that sign language can help. Sign language provides a visual and tactile means of communication that can be easier for some autistic learners to understand and use. It can help to reduce frustration and misunderstandings and improve the ability of both the learner and the caregiver to express their needs and wants. With building trust, the use of sign language can create a sense of trust and connection between the learner and caregiver by using sign language. Caregivers can demonstrate their willingness to learn and adapt the needs of the learner, which can help to build a strong relationship over time. With reducing anxiety, autistic learners may experience anxiety in social situations. Sign language can provide a calming and familiar way of communication, which can then in turn help to reduce anxiety and improve the learner's overall well-being. Autistic learners may struggle with engaging in social interactions. Sign language can provide a fun and interactive way to communicate, which can encourage the learner to participate more actively in social interactions. Providing increased independence. The ability to communicate effectively can help autistic learners to become more independent in their daily lives. Sign language can provide a way for the learner to express their needs and wants. That in itself can lead to increased self-confidence and independence. In conclusion, the use of sign language can be a powerful way for improving relationship with an autistic learner. It can enhance communication, build trust, reduce anxiety, and improve engagement and increased independence. By investing in sign language education and practice, caregivers can provide a valuable means of communication that can improve the quality of life of both the learner and the caregiver. Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun, or to improve communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe Academy is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.